In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24 and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then select All Services next to Recommended. Click on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and finally Google Password Manager. If you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To make them visible, you need at least one, so to fix it, hit this gear at the top right corner. Then make sure that Offer to Save Passwords is on, log into any app and hit Save in Autofill pop-up. When you finished, click on this plus next to Search Passwords and input all of those informations. At the top, select any website or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then input your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!